Hey guys, do you want to create a website like this? But you need to know about the web development. But what if I told you without writing a single line of code, still we can make a website like this? It may be a personal blog, marketing websites, to publish an article to website, it may be anything. And the best part is, it is also comes with a live domain. With the help of this, you can easily share the website link with your friends and colleagues, and you can also use this website in resumes, presentations, articles, and also for marketing purpose. Yes, it is possible to create a website with the help of AI. You can easily create the websites like this. Like this. So, do you want to know that how these websites were created? Then watch this video until the end, because I am going to explain in a step-by-step process to create websites like this. So, why late? Let's get started. The link in the description to access, and it goes here. Getting into it, complete the sign-in process with the help of Gmail ID. To create website, click on plus and select generate using AI and enter the prompt. And guys, you may see in like a white box here, and enter the text. Remember one thing, before entering into it, how good you enter the text, the website will create with the help of AI. Click on generate website. See, AI has started creating website. So, website is created. Now, it's time to customize the website as our preference. For example, I want to change the text color like this. And now, scroll down. And I want to change the context into different font like this. So, select the font and select the font which do you want to insert and click on enter. Like this, you can customize our website, and also we can see our website in a different views like tablet and mobile view, but how it will looks. So after customizing, you can publish the website like this. So click on publish, click on deploy current version, and copy the link from this. And you can see the website will created like this. So guys, like this we can create websites with the help of AI. But what if I told you we can still create applications also with the help of AI? So do you want to know about it? Then subscribe to my channel, and in the next video I am going to tell you about it. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more technical content. Bye bye. Take care guys.